And there is a reference also, which is the BTC one. BTC they can get every month for the lucky member.
So let's say if a person, let's say brother, what's your name? Sorry, your name was Umar.
My name is Umar.
You calling from?
Yes.
You are calling from UK.
Yes.
Okay. Then this is a mining plan. Let's say a person invested $100 in this scheme. What is the benefit he can get after, let's say, 1 month? Hello.
Yes. I will listen to you.
Yes, let's say a person invested $100 in your mining scheme. What is the benefit he can get in after 1 month or say 3 months or 6 months?
There is a not $100. There is only $50, not more than 50 or not less than 50.
Okay, let's say
$50.
Yeah, let's say a person invested $50 in your scheme. What is the benefit he can get?
Is it daily? They will
Yeah,
get $1.
Daily $1. Daily $1 means, brother, you selling daily $1. Daily $1 means, let's say 1 divided by 50 means daily 2%. Correct?
Almost.
Yeah, then daily 2% means for a year it will be multiplied by 365, yearly 730%.
Yes, because there is a mining. No, today is a BTC like $20.
No, brother. No mining scheme in this world can give 730% return for a year. I don't believe.
සෙනිමා ඉන්වෙස්ටින් ආයතනය වසර ගණනාවක් තිස්සේ සිසුන්ගේ විශ්වාසය දිනා ගනිමින් කොටස් වෙළඳපොළ සහ ක්‍රිප්ටෝකරන්සි ට්‍රේඩින් ඇන්ඩ් ඉන්වෙස්ට්මන්ට් සම්බන්ධයෙන් අධ්‍යාපනය ලබා දුන්න ආයතනයකි. අපගේ නවතම ක්‍රිප්ටෝකරන්සි ට්‍රේඩින් ඇන්ඩ් ඉන්වෙස්ට්මන්ට් පාඨමාලාව සහ අපගේ කොටස් වෙළඳපොළ සම්බන්ධ මාස්ටර් කෝස් එක සමග සම්බන්ධ වීමට අපගේ YouTube නාලිකාවේ ඒ හා සම්බන්ධ වීඩියෝව නරඹා WhatsApp අංකයට කෝල් කරන්න 077 445 6085. කොටස් වෙළඳපොළ හා ක්‍රිප්ටෝකරන්සි සම්බන්ධ නොමිලේ කරන වැඩමුළු සමග සම්බන්ධ වීමට අපගේ සෙනිමා ඉන්වෙස්ටිං YouTube channel එක subscribe කර තබා ගන්න.
Maximum 20-30%. It will be a Ponzi. Yeah, it will be a Ponzi scheme. You are giving early investors money to later investors. I am correct.
Actually, Sisi, they already have a 7 years. This company is in the market 7 years.
But how?
Not like 1 year and 2 years.
But normally we all know the mining machines are very costly. Let's say $50,000 like that. 10 you can get like monthly $700-800 income. So how can you give 730% return? Normally what you do is normally what you people do is you do in a Ponzi scheme and you are recommending that, and later investors will be scammed. You will give in your early investors money to later investors. You continue it for some period, then after that you will scam them. Same thing happening in Sri Lanka. Their name is Onmax DT. So you recommending other program like that to recommend me. You call in from UK. You are not from UK. You may be from Nigeria or somewhere else. Anyway, I think this is a scam. Yeah, I think this is a Ponzi scheme or scam. So I am not a scammer. So I can't promote this. 730% return is not acceptable in whatever manner, because it's not possible. We Sri Lankans are not stupid, okay? We have some knowledge on these things. So your offer I can't accept, because I believe this is a Ponzi scheme. Same kind of Ponzi scheme is running in Sri Lanka. Its name is Onmax DT. Scamming Sri Lankans. So we are not allowing you to do this.
Okay, alright, no problem.
Okay, brother, okay. Don't do this for Sri Lanka. You try another country, because Sri Lankans are smart than you think. Okay, good luck.
Alright.
Okay, good luck.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, bye.